Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily disable any restriction in Safari browser on iPhone or iPad. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write comments at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and get started. And if you go to your Safari browser on your, let's say, iPhone or iPad, and you have some sites restricted, and you do want to turn those restrictions off, it's very easy to do that. To do this, you'll need to go to Settings. Next, Screen Time. Next, scroll down a little bit, where you will find this section right here, which is called Content Restriction and Privacy. After that, find Content Restriction. And here you'll find Web Content, and click on that. So if you have the second or third item active in the web content settings, that would mean that you can't go to certain sites, for example. And if you want to disable, then you'll need to select the first option, like I have right now. And with this kind of action, you will disable any restriction in Safari browser on your iPhone or iPad. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.